your Keandra.
Log on to Boy Majesty.
And together we're Keandra Majesty. And we're back with a cool slime video. We love playing with slime. Slime is so fun. We can never get enough of it. We're going to be doing two types of slime. Confetti slime and crunchy slime. We have some clear slime right here. And we have some metallic. And we have some clear crunchy slime. And we have some metallic crunchy slime. We're going to add glitter to the clear one because I love bling. And I'll just add it to make it more colorful.
Let's go right into the slime video.
We're going to start with the clear one. Wow. That was easy. Okay, pour the whole thing in. Oh my god. Come on, let's go. So, we start adding the confetti. Now we use this confetti activator. Put it in the bowl. I think that's good. Yeah. Oh. Ooh, that's so pretty. Yeah. I wonder what's that on it. It's the Confetti Majesty. Oh. So smart. Ooh, that's so cool, guys. You have to try this at home. This is so cool. Yeah, it really is cool. Okay, I think that's it. Let's start stirring this. This is so cool. Yeah. Keep stirring. It's starting to get a little stretchy. Yeah. Let's stir it. Just keep stirring it. Yeah. The confetti's all over the place. Yeah. All over the bowl. Yeah. Okay, let's keep stirring. It looks like it's starting to get stretchy. Yeah, it is. Look. Okay, that wasn't that stretchy. This is so cool. In one piece. Yeah. Just go in one piece. I'm gonna touch it. Touch it. Yeah, is it cold? Not really. It's actually really warm. It is cold. Yep, this is definitely stretchy. This is super sticky. And stretchy. No. Wow. Look at that. Guys, look how perfect it came out. It came out just like slime. Look how stretchy it is. Now we're on to metallic confetti slime. Okay, so we open this up. Okay, got it. Now, pour it in here. Ooh, that's so pretty. Nice. I like it because it's blue. And a nice blue. Okay, that looks so bling. Looks so nice. Now, okay. Okay, I guess like that too. Oh, no. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so now, okay, glitter time! Bling time! Okay. Ooh, wow. This is so pretty. This is nice. I love the color. Me too. Well, guys, it doesn't look very stretchy like this one, the clear one. Let's start doing it with our hands to see if it gets any stretchier. Yeah. Ooh, this is nice. It's kind of just like a clump. It's not even like stretchy or sticky. Yeah, it's just really like a clump. It feels like so wet. Yeah. It feels wet. Yeah. Moving on to crunchy slime. I never heard of crunchy slime. Is it gonna come out like the crunch candy? Well, Majesty, you can't eat slime. Oh, that's not edible. Okay, so we're moving on to the clear crunchy slime. Okay, so put it in. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it looks nice already. Yeah, it's so clear. Okay. So I'm gonna put in the glitter. Ooh, it's so furry. Wait, I think you have to add this first. Oh yeah. It's just colored in my arm. It's time to add the crunchy activator. Okay. Ooh, it kind of looks like marbles. me to help?
Sure. Teamwork makes the dream work. This is so hard to get out. There's like still a lot in there.
It looks like a food.
This is so hard to get out.
Maybe I should just like I feel it all in there.
Yeah.
It's like this one big blob. Yeah.
Whoa. There's like still a lot in there, kind of, but it just won't come out.
Wow, guys, this is starting to get a little stretchy.
To the middle. Ooh, it looks nice. Yeah, that's not coming out.
There you go.
These actually do look like little marbles.
Don't eat them.
Mini ones.
Okay, there we go. You guys should try this slime at home. It's so stretchy
And fun. And I'm gonna add the glitter.
Okay.
Make it blue or aqua. Whatever that color is.
Okay. It's hard to show it because it's getting hot or something.
You want me to touch you on top?
No, let's use your hands now.
Whoa. This is
Pick
so
up all this
stretchy. This is stretchy and hard.
Crunchy. This is really crunchy. It's so sad.
I know I got crunchy slime now. I thought it was gonna look like the crunch candy. I think they got the idea from the crunch candy. I'm not gonna lie.
This is so
nice.
Whoa. Try this at home.
Yeah. You guys should try this at home. This is so fun.
Like if you like slime.
Okay, so we're gonna
Put this on
the table and then we're gonna
this side.
do yeah.
And then we're gonna go to the
Metallic crunchy slime. Okay. This sounds are so satisfying.
I love how crunchy it is.
Yeah. This is so fun, guys. You should try this at home.
And it like pops in your hands. It's so cool.
Yeah. Okay, so I think we got everything is out.
Okay.
So we're gonna move on to the metallic glue crunchy slime. Okay. Okay. Ooh, wow. Okay. This one's like green. That one was blue. Okay. Ooh. Let's grab this. This is so nice. This is a nice color.
So that really is pretty.
So is the other one.
It kind of looks like this glitter.
Yeah, it kind of does.
Keep on squeezing. Come on. Yeah, he has muscles. Don't worry, guys.
This is hard to get out.
Okay, guys. I'm sorry, headphone users. Okay.
Ooh.
There we go.
Excuse me. Okay, I'll just go with this.
You got it on my back.
Okay, I think that's it for this. Okay, take that out. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you keep doing that, and then I'll start stirring.
There you go.
The color looks so nice, though.
Yeah, it does. The color got me.
What? This is so nice, guys.
Guys, I think the metallic isn't as stretchy or sticky as the other ones because, like, look at the confetti one. It's like so stretchy and sticky. It's like so cool, but that one's just
Like, it's just wet. Like, yeah. These ones don't even get sticky or anything. It just stays wet.
yeah. Like, and look at this one too. Yeah, it's like
Well, you got that one in one piece.
like that one's like
The clear glue ones, I feel like, are like the better ones because it like
they're more fun.
yeah.
So guys, they were kind of both fun, but I definitely vote for the clear.
I also vote for clear because these ones literally just stayed wet and not stretchy or anything.
They're just
But
like
those ones actually got wet
and fun.
and stretchy and stretchy.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys go like, subscribe, and comment.
And make sure you hit the notification bell.
See you guys in the next